Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on RedMagic 10R. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store app, then type on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open, and here click agree and continue, and now you can choose your default browser, or you can click cancel, and here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Here you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again, and now you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.